Ladies and gentlemen, the next exciting circus performance will begin on our Circus Circus Midway stage in just a few minutes.
Bror Fredrik coming at you with a live video from the Circus Circus Circus. It's about to start, so let me get a mic check, mic check. It is packed in here, so I'm not going to narrate until this is done, or I'm not even going to talk too much, but here we go. Fun check, fun check. All right. Enjoy the show.
Ladies and gentlemen, children of all ages, Circus Circus is proud to present.
No, I'm not on the Wi-Fi. This is actually
trapeze. Please welcome from Argentina, the Flying
4G.
Poemas.
I'll catch up with everyone once this is done. Shout out Biloxi. Hey, Steven. I think it's about a half an hour.
The fearless catcher, Rico. The amazing Ida. The dazzling Houston. Our youngest circus superstar, Sergio Ramos. Ladies and gentlemen, the Flying Omegas. Once again, thank you. Our next performance will begin right after this intermission. Please check the posted schedules for a list of all performance times. While waiting for the next show to begin, there is plenty of fun to be had on the Circus Midway. Be sure to try your hand at one of our classic Midway games. And enjoy your day right here at Circus Circus.
I think it's just a Circus Circus Circus. I'm sure that's gonna get spanked. I wasn't expecting the copyright music. That was it? Dang. Hello, ladies.
Please clear the seating area for mandatory cleaning. While at Circus Circus,
Gentlemen,
we ask you be aware of social distancing requests and not congregate in groups of more than 10 people. Please wash your hands frequently. We also strongly urge you to wear a mask or face covering.
Strongly urge.
All there is to do here.
I'll catch up in a minute. We'll walk through. Let me shut off. I brought some backup circus music. Hold on. They told me it was going to be half an hour. That was kind of quick, but it was kind of cool. Hold on. Let me get this squirrel a little higher in my chest here. All right, let me get a mic check, mic check. Let's see how we're doing on the micage. No, not at all. They gave me permission to come. They were like, go do your thing, Bror Fredrik. Show the Bror Nation what we got going on. All right. And we got a good connect. This connection through my 4G was better than the wireless in here. So that's what we rock. Let's go take a quick look around. All right, let me hang out here for a second. Welcome, everyone. For those of you new to the channel, again, my name is Bror Fredrik, local Las Vegas-based photographer, videographer, cinematographer, and part-time philosopher, and your circus tour guide for tonight. So I figured we'd start the show with the show. Got that wonderful permission to do so. So whenever we get permission, we're like, yeah, let's do it. So that was fun. Saw some trapezians. Let's go look around real quick. It might get a little shaky in here due to the sheer amount of people in here. So I welcome you to hit that subscribe button. We just hit 10,500. Looking for 11,000 soon. And hit that bell to get notified when we do this again, which is Tuesday afternoons, Thursday nights, and Saturday nights. Throw a couple in every once in a while. Just keep it interesting. Woo, it's warm in here. Yeah, see, she's hot. I mean, like, temperature-wise. I mean, you know, whatever. You know what I'm saying, come on. Let's teach your kids how to gamble. Star darts. So it's like at least 1,000 people up here. Oh, it's busy. The place is packed. Absolutely packed. All right, let's walk around. Whoa. Let's walk around. I got my water, thankfully. Let's walk around here. Take a look. I'm sure they got corn dogs. And there's a bunch of corn dogs around here anyway. Corn dogs. And that's where we were a couple seconds ago. Wasn't that fun? That was just fun. I thought it'd be a little longer than that. But it's still fun. And now we get to keep it moving. Oh, look, you get to throw a... Wow, my stabilizer's slow today. You get to throw a chicken in the pot. She's gonna do it. I feel it. Yeah, I knew it. I knew that chicken was going in the pot. Yeah, well, now they have metal detectors to go into Adventure Dome. So if you got any hardware on you, even a little old school knife, take it out before you come in, or they will confiscate it. Nah, these are cool. Woo, it's hot. Let's look down. We'll pass the coin spitters. Everyone wants to see the coin spitters. I've showed them like 20, 30 times. Depends. Some casinos say no weapons whatsoever. Some don't have signage, but trust me, they do not want you carrying in the casino. And should they catch you, they'll either escort you out, obviously you're going to have a permit, but they'll either escort you out to your vehicle to lock it up, or they will take you in the office, give you a receipt for it, and put it in their safe, and have you collect it on the way out. But, you do your thing. I'm just saying. The plaza, while we're on the topic, the plaza put in X-ray, yeah. This is like the worst McDonald's ever. Don't even go in there. Can I go this way? Or I can go that way. Security guard just waved. He's like, what up? Is that the exit? Or is this the exit? The plaza's putting in X-ray machines when you check in and when you come in, like the airport has. Like from Total Recall. They will check to see if you got a burner on you, or if you got something in your suitcase. So just a heads up. Here we go with the coin spitters. Wow, it is hot AF in here. Coin spitters in the house. Yeah, all McDonald's are like, you shouldn't really be eating at McDonald's for your overall health. It's probably worse than smoking. Oh, listen to that glorious sound. Glorious. The glorious coin spitting action. I'll catch up with everyone in a second once we get out of here. That's just tons of fun.